Imagine being more present, feeling clear in your mind, feeling that you're able to find a solution to a problem quicker. Now, it's not a superpower. This can be trained, and science have shown a lot of health benefit with this specific thing. I'm sure you heard it many times before, but the question is, how can you incorporate it in your life? Meditation. There are different types of meditation. You have guided and non-guided. Non-guided is basically sitting and listening, or just having silence and not really listening to anything, following your breath and trying to keep your mind on the breath. Guided is something you can listen to that helps you focus on specific things. It takes you through a journey, if you will. And there's different types of meditation, guided meditations out there. You have honest guys that are doing great programs on YouTube. You have Headspace as an app, and you have Calm. And if you're new to it, starting with guided is something that I personally found is very useful, especially working with clients that are high achievers and are very busy. Because it can be hard just to sit down and quiet your mind out of nowhere if we haven't trained the mind and the body what meditation is yet and the benefit of it. And this is not a practice that needs to take hours. You can start with a couple minutes, maybe 5. The thing is that when we do this on a regular basis, the gray matter in the brain also builds up. And as I said, there's a lot of other health benefits, but one of the benefits I personally enjoy the most is that the mind is clearer. So, within the next 24 hours, can you find a moment where you either find 5 minutes to meditate, or you add another 5 minutes to your already meditation practice? When we do this on a regular basis, preferably daily, that's when we see the greatest benefits the most. It's not about adding marathon sessions, it's about the daily practice. That's what makes the greatest difference. If you're curious about learning more about how you can increase your well-being, at the Wellbeing Academy we have a course within lifestyle design and self-awareness, self-leadership to explore all of this. So, where is your next 5-minute block where you're trying just to quiet your mind, focus on your breath, and being here and now?